kind of knew what I wanted to do coming into Art Center, and I wanted the opportunity to make a painting or an image larger than myself, because growing up and going to galleries or art shows back home in Detroit, that's all I saw. So making just a painting larger than life was really important to me, which is why I took the classes that I've taken so far. I think a thing about like the Fine Art Department of Art Center is this commitment to keep experimenting, keep ideating on that first draft, but do it 5 different times in 5 different mediums and see what sticks to the wall. You get 7 terms to ideate on what does this thing that I'm comfortable doing look like across a lot of different mediums. So whether it is sculpture or painting or printmaking, and that proves to make a pretty dynamic and well-rounded artist, in my opinion. I'm an older student, quote unquote. I'm 27, so I'm not like 20 or 19 coming into undergrad. But I feel like I started to feel just more comfortable having like real eye-to-eye conversations with the faculty, because I feel like they were just closer to understanding where I wanted to be as an artist. I think the faculty here are so generous in the way they want to connect you to different people that they know, different artists or even galleries. I don't even think I had language for the type of artist I was when I first made it to Art Center. I think it was really contingent on what I felt in my body, just being intuitive in that practice. But I think being here at Art Center has allowed me to put language and an understanding to my intuitive practice, which has been really special. What my practice is concerned with now is how this community and collective memory situate itself in personal artifacts like family archives, photographs, bed sheets, pillowcases, and things like that. I think the more domestic things that we like overlook in our everyday lives, that has a history and that has a very precious stain that permeates through time, that is a lot more resonant for future viewers than the things that we choose to preserve in between plastic sheets or even plates of glass or behind frames. My craft has just become a lot more intentional since being here. I feel like being from anywhere else in the country, there's always this like slight expectation / pull as a creative to end up in California, especially LA. So there was a curiosity already to go to California one day and just extend my understanding of what art could be in a completely different place. And that is what Art Center has been thus far. It's been a complete difference from how I viewed art back home. This is a one-stop shop where I'm in Pasadena to go to school, but I'm just outside of LA, which means I'll have a quick access to a lot of galleries in LA and a lot of community and just like what the art scene is like in LA at large. One thing that an instructor did say to me here at Art Center several terms ago is that the only thing that you have to do post-graduation is keep making work, because you don't want to become stagnant in this practice that you've been developing over the last 7 terms. No matter what that materializes as long as I can keep refining this voice with other people, that's the dream.